Ufungamano Joint Forum of Religious Organizations is calling for the empowerment of the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission to prosecute state officers misusing public funds in a special court.
The religious leaders have slammed the judiciary for taking too long to conclude charges against state officers in corruption cases. NTV's Mel Miendo with more.
Corruption scandals in the government, millions if not billions of shillings from taxpayers' pockets misused, irregular tenders, ghost workers, the list is endless, and religious leaders now want EACC empowered to enable the body embark on lifestyle audits of all state and county officers.
That is the only way they can create enough fear among those who hold positions at the top to keep away from dishing their fingers into the public fund.
With court cases against state officers inconclusive, the leaders are proposing that EACC be granted powers to prosecute, but in a special court.
We would urge EACC and the judiciary to come together and ensure that all those cases are dispensed with as urgently as possible.
In the proposal, the National Assembly will have the 290 members of Parliament slashed to 150, an addition of 75 for women with regards to the two-third gender rule. The Senate is also not left out, with the proposal suggesting that there be one man senator and one woman senator in the 16 county governments that they are saying should be slashed from the current 47 counties. In addition, they are spearheading a further reduction of MP salaries by 40%. The 50% cut in government size is intended to greatly reduce the burden on taxpayers. Mel Miendo, NTV.